You know how volcanoes are formed? Do you know how volcanoes are formed? No, right? So in this diagram, you can see here we have two plates. Okay, so you have the oceanic plate, it's supposed to be denser. Okay, and then you have the continental plate, the one we are standing on. Okay, so since we are standing on its land, it's supposed to be lighter. Okay, so you know plate tectonics, right? The earth is moving, the plates are moving. So since this is heavier, it goes beneath the continental plate. Okay, so when it's going beneath, like this is like the thickness for this is like around 700 kilometers. Okay, so when it's going beneath, it's like very hot inside, right? So it's very hot inside and it's melting over there. So this plate, when it reaches this, it's all melting. Okay, so at the same time there's some force coming. Okay, like these two plates are colliding, so there's some force. So when you give some force, what happens? You know, you see some force, something like this. Yeah, giving some force, and you see some folds like this, right?
Yeah.
So that is what is happening here. Okay, so these plates that are melting over are then actually coming out from vents like this. So there's a pressure difference. Okay, you have high pressure inside, you have low pressure outside, atmospheric pressure. So it just booms out. Okay, so but there are other types of volcanoes called hotspots. So you can see the name written over here, right? These are on oceans. Okay, so you can see all the blue thing over here. So here is the diagram. Okay, so these are special kind of volcanoes. Why? Because they have a special connection with the mantle. Okay, there's a long pipe inside here. Okay, which connects the mantle. Okay, and the mantle material comes out from this volcano. Okay, so when the plates are moving, okay, so you have one volcano forming after the other, because since things are coming out of here and things are moving over here, so you have one forming after the other. So this we have a small guy over here, okay, because it's eroded. Okay, so this is the active one. So the plate is moving in this direction. Okay, so this is a special volcano. Why? Because you don't find mantle material all lying over the Earth's surface, right? So when the mantle material comes out of this, so this is a special volcano because people can do research on it. So everybody jumps into this volcano. Okay, not literally inside, but okay. So yeah, you can show them how it erupts. It's a simple experiment. Okay. Then I'll take this. Oh, it's very slow. Well, it depends on the concentration, you know.
What chemical? What did you put inside? Is it HCl or something?
Acetic acid.
So Hawaii was formed like this.
Yeah.
So Hawaii is the chain of islands. So the chain is formed as a plate move. So there's a constant connection from the mantle. It's called a mantle glue. So the material kept coming, but the plate kept on moving. So it made a chain of islands. So that's how Hawaii Islands are formed.